only local people do HM when they need to sneeze. Like, seriously, what's that? I understand that these things happen naturally, but have some self-control. No, because what's all that drama for? I promise you, it's not that deep for you to be doing HM up and down. No matter how sudden the sneeze is coming to you, don't sneeze like a bush person. This is the correct way to sneeze. Oh, the internal pressure within my cranial airways has passed containment levels. And now, I'm left with no choice but to say, Achoo. Would you keep sneezing like a local champion, or would you start sneezing like an international person?